I will run this race and hear well done.
So welcome back to BNF Farms. So like I promised, I was going to show you the progress we've made and we keep making. So welcome to the 15K capacity egg production pen 001. An interesting journey.
There's no other voice.
So the next stage for us is to install the cages, conveyor belts, the automatic feed line, because it's a semi-automatic pen. Make things a bit easy. I'm not going to say too much because I like to surprise you guys. So yeah, expect more. That's the brooder. It's under construction. We're finishing it up real soon because that's where the chicks are going to be. And we're going to house about 7 to 10K birds. They're about more, depending several factors. So when they're matured, then we'll move them into the big boys pen. Then yeah, we're going to continue to circle, continue circle, continue circle. Like I said, I'm new to this. I've been reading about it, but I'm enjoying every part of it. Yeah, it's expensive though. Follow the BNF Farms page attached to this post. We're going to be posting more updates on the progress of the farms there. Thank you.